In today's video, I'll show you how to update the weight and dimension details for a simple product in WooCommerce. For this example, here's the computer desk product on my site, and if I scroll a bit down just under the additional information tab, there's going to be a weight and dimension section right here. But as you can see, in my case, the values are missing, so let's go ahead and update them. But first, let's log into WordPress admin account. Once you're in the WordPress dashboard, on the left side of the screen, hover on products, and then select all products. Now look for the product in question, in my case it's this one, computer desk, and then select edit. Once the product editor loads, at the top right corner, click on Screen Options, and then set the check for product data right here. Now scroll a bit down, look for the product data section, then select Shipping tab. And here's the weight and dimensions section. As in my case, let me update the weight to 100 kilograms. And for dimensions, let me update it to 150 by 70 by 70 centimeters. Now scroll all the way to the top and then select Update. Once the product was updated, go back to your website and try refreshing the product page. Okay, let's take a look. Let's select Additional Information tab. And as you can see, the updated values are now displayed right here. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found useful. If more WordPress tutorials, please comment my channel. Thank you.